Hello children. Center of mass of semi-hollow sphere. What is the significance of this? What is the meaning of this, you see? So, this is hollow sphere. In fact, it has got some thickness. And we have to find the center of mass of this hollow sphere. For hollow sphere, we can show by dotted line. This is hollow sphere. And we have to find the center of mass of this, whose radius is, this is the radius is r, right? And mass of this hollow sphere, mass of semi-hollow sphere is equal to m, right? And since it is hollow, so we will talk about the surface area. Surface area of this semi-hollow sphere. We know the surface area of hollow sphere is 4 pi r square. Therefore, surface area of semi-hollow sphere is equal to 2 pi r square, as the radius is r, right? So therefore, mass per unit area that is equal to, it is denoted by sigma, and that will be m upon 2 pi r square. Now, how to find the center of mass? So this center of this will be considered as origin. We will make two axes. So one is this is y-axis, and this is x-axis. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. Again, in the similar manner, we will have to consider some area over elementary area. So for elementary area, this, suppose this radius is making an angle of theta with y-axis, right? And this elementary area is considered. Suppose this angle is d theta, right? So this length will be, this is r, this is r d theta, and if this length is taken, length of an arc we have considered, and if you are forming an area of this, so it will be, I will be generating an area and I will generate a ring, right? One ring is made. This ring will be completing this total surface area, this elementary area, isn't it? This elementary area, and of course this will be like a ring. The dotted line I have shown. So this elementary area will create a ring. So on this length will be r theta, and correspondingly, if you look at this will be a circle, and this circular ring will have radius how much? This will be the radius, and since this is theta, this will be r sine theta, and this distance, because for this ring, this will be the center of mass, and this distance will be same as this distance, and this will be r cos theta, because this theta, then this will also be theta. These are parallel, so this will also be theta, so this will be r cos theta, and this is the distance of center of mass of this elementary ring. Now, since by symmetry, if you look at it is symmetrical, this semi-hollow is very symmetrical about y-axis, right? So x coordinate of the center of mass will be 0 and the center of mass will lie on y-axis. Now, suppose center of mass is denoted by YCM. It will be along y-axis. On this only center of mass will be there somewhere. So y center of mass, that is equal to integration y dm, right, upon capital M. There's the formula. So first we will find dm. Therefore, mass of elementary area is, we can say elementary ring, I will say, ring, that is equal to circumference, that is 2 pi, this is the radius of this r sin theta, 2 pi r sin theta radius, and this length into r d theta. This will be the total area, circumference into this distance. So 2 pi r sin theta into r d theta, this will be the total area, and mass per unit area is sigma, so I will multiply this by sigma. This is the mass of the elementary area and it is denoted by dm. So this much is clear. Dm is known, and what is y? Y means center of mass of this elementary area, so this will be y. So then it is, y is r cos theta into dm is 2 pi r sin theta into r d theta into sigma upon capital M. And what is the limit for this integration? You see, if theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, from here to where it comes, the whole area of this will be covered. How? If theta is here, so this area, this ring will be formed, another ring will be formed, another ring will be formed. So this way, if your theta is varying from 0 to pi by 2, total area will get covered. So it will be 0 to pi by 2. Now we will simplify. We will make the integration of it and we'll find what are we getting. So you see 2 pi r and r, these are constants. So 2 pi r cube by m. 2 pi r into r cube by m, integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin theta cos theta d theta, sin theta cos theta d theta. So what I will do, I will take 2 inside, or we will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. We can write this as pi r cube by m, integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta d theta. Because if you are taking 2 inside, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So I have written like this. Further simplification. So this is equal to pi r cube by m, and integration of sin 2 theta is, that is minus cos 2 theta by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Because integration of sin theta is minus cos theta, and minus cos theta, since theta is multiplied by 2, it will be divided by 2. So this can further be simplified, and sigma will also be there. Sigma will also be there. That's sigma into sigma into sigma. Value of sigma I will put later. So this can be written pi r cube by m into sigma, and we can take minus outside and 2 also over here, and we will write cos 2 theta 0 to pi by 2. Further simplification, I'll write like this: minus pi r cube sigma upon 2m cos pi minus cos 0. In fact, today cos 2 theta. 2 theta means 2 into pi by 2. That is simply pi. So we'll get minus pi r cube sigma upon 2m into cos pi is minus 1, cos 0 is 1. So it will be minus 2. Okay. So this is equal to, this will minus or minus, it will become plus. So pi r cube sigma upon 2m into 2. So 2 and 2 will go. We will get pi r cube sigma upon m. So further we will write like this: YCM is equal to pi r cube by m, and then value of sigma, mass per unit length, is m upon 2 pi r square. M upon 2 pi r square. So pi and pi will go, m and m will go, r square will go. I will get r by 2. Therefore, y center of mass will be equal to r by 2. It means center of mass of this semi hollow sphere, it will be, y coordinate of center of mass will be from here at a distance of r by 2. It is center of mass, right? And it will be equal to r by 2. And of course, x coordinate of this center of mass will be 0, right? Therefore, I will write coordinates of center of mass will be, x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will be r by 2. So this is the center of mass and is very important and you should know. So next video will come with new object. Till then, all the best. Take care of you.